Hello children! Let's learn the words that start with letters K, L, M, N. Let's begin with consonant K. The sound is K, 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 kiwi, K, kangaroo, K, kite, K, king, K, keys, K, kingfisher, kiwi, kangaroo, kite, king, key, kingfisher. K, koala, K, kettle, K, kick, K, karate, K, kids, K, kit, koala, kettle, kick, karate, kids, kit. Outstanding! Next is consonant L. The sound is L. 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 Lamp. L. Lion. L. Leaf. L. Ladder. L. Ladybug. L. Lips. Lamp, lion, leaf, ladder, ladybug, lips. L. Light bulb. L. Lemon. L. Lizard. L. Lollipop. L. Lantern. L. Lit. Light bulb, lemon, lizard, lollipop, lantern, lit. You did it! Next is consonant M. The sound is M. 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 Moon. M. Mom. M. Male. M. Magnet. M. Money. M. Mop. Moon, mom, male, magnet, money, mop. M. Maid. M. Man. M. Map. M. Mat. M. Met. M. Mat. Mirror. Music. Milk. Mask. Mountains. Magic. Mirror, music, milk, mask, mountains, magic. Consonant N. The sound is N. Nurse. Nose. Net. 9. Necklace. Nest. Nurse, nose, net, 9, necklace, nest. None. Needle. Nail. Knot. Notebook. Noodles. None, needle, nail, knot, notebook, noodles. Way to go! Children, always remember their sounds. K, L, M, N. Please repeat, children. Brilliant!